Hi, my name is Ryder, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Scratch. Scratch is an interactive coding website that uses block coding to make games and animations. So the first thing you want to do when you open up Scratch is go up here to the top right corner and click Join Scratch. From there, you'll enter a username, password, and some information about yourself, and you'll have an account on Scratch, and you can start making. Once you've logged into your account, you will be met with this page right here. So up here on the top part where the tabs are that says Create, Explore, Ideas, and About. And Create is where you can start making your games and animations. Explore is where you can find other people's games that they've made. Ideas will give you some ideas for games. It's basically like Explore, but it will give you ideas for games that you can make. And About just gives you some information about Scratch. Over here, you can search for certain games that you want to play. Here is your mail. If you have a project or a studio, then you'll get messages and alerts when you have activity. Here is where you can view your previously made games and animations, and here's your account settings where you can sign out or change account stuff. But today, we're going to start creating. So to create your first game, click the Create button up here on the top left corner. Once you've created your game, go up here to the tabs, and this is where all the good stuff will be happening. So here in File is where you can save, copy, edit, and delete different things. Edit is where you can do a turbo mode. We'll get to that in another video. Tutorials, which this is where you can get some tutorials on how to create music and create a name. And that's really cool. This is kind of just the basics on how to insert sprites and do certain things like that. And then Untitled right here is where you can name your animation. Once you've named your game, you can see the project page. When you click See Project Page, you go here. And this is what people will see when you share your game. And so when you're finished with your game, you can click Share, which you can also find this button in the top hotbar up here. So you can name your game, you can give some instructions, like what buttons to press. If you used pictures or videos or musics from other websites, then you can add some citations and credits in this little box here. To return back to your code page, click See Inside, and you'll return to your code. So when you're adding code to a game, you have three main sections here on the top left corner. You have your code section, where you have the 9 sections of code that you can scroll down through, and these are what really make the base of your game and how you can make your sprite move and talk and play sounds and stuff like that. Then, your second column is the costumes column, and so here certain sprites will have pre-selected costumes that Scratch has already made for them. Like the cat has a walking motion and a standing motion, and in here you can create a new costume, which we'll get to later. And our third and final column is the sounds column, and so certain sprites will have certain pre-selected sounds, just like pre-selected costumes, and of course the cat has the pre-selected meow sound. And so to play a sound, you just click the play button here. Scratch has a very wide pre-selection of sounds, and to select new sounds for sprites, you click this button here that says Choose a Sound. And here they have all kinds of sounds. They have instrument sounds, they have animal sounds and effects, and loop sounds that go on for a long time, and notes and people's voices, and just wacky stuff, and space and fantasy, and all kinds of sounds, and you can use these to make your game feel more natural and alive. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's all I'm going to be going over for today. Today I really kind of just went over the basics of Scratch, but don't worry, I'll be back with more videos. See ya!